In this video, I'll be showing you how you can play OG Fortnite using Project RETRAC in 2025. So first thing you're going to want to do, search up Project RETRAC in your browser. And you want to go to the Discord link right here. This is basically a Discord invite to their server. Once you're in their server, right here, go to the hashtags download page and press download the latest Windows and launcher. See the download? It's gonna ask you to verify your Discord account. I already did that, so you don't need to. Then press next and then install it. Once it's installed, launch it. As you can see, it's already connected to my Discord account. Now, all you want to do, Chapter 2 Season 4, download now. Press Chapter 2 Season 4. And boom, it's downloading. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.